My video tutorial will provide you with instructions on how to effectively get rid of the extension called Tabs Manager. This is a special extension specifically for the Google Chrome browser, but the trouble with this extension is that it is often spread through bundling with many free applications. So in most of the cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. This extension, if installed, may also operate as a adware. It may periodically display its advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. If it was installed, make sure you get rid of it by accessing the menu More Tools, Extensions, then disable and remove this extension. Also, we recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.